You won't believe how this woman uses a cup of potato skins to get rid of gray hair on early ages. Hello everyone. Today is your lucky day because in this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful homemade remedy will help you get rid of gray hair and reverse it to its natural color. This homemade mixture can help you with many things. It can improve the health of your hair, and the best thing about this homemade remedy is that it can reverse your white hair to its natural color, without dyeing your hair. There are hundreds of types of hair dyes on the market today and they all claim that they can help you get rid of white hair. Well, the ugly truth is that these hair dyes will do more harm than good. They will damage your hair because they contain high amounts of harmful chemicals. So why using these expensive cosmetic products when you can get the same effects with this all-natural mixture? This one ingredient recipe will help you get rid of the white hair just after few weeks. Cancerous boxes of chemicals. All commercial hair dyes are loaded with chemicals which can cause more harm than good. A recent study has discovered that there are over 5,000 kinds of chemicals in one box of hair dye. Some create pigment, some create a pleasant aroma, some of them are known to be carcinogenic. A scary thing considering it is estimated that more than 1/3 of women over age 18 and about 10% of men over age 40 use some type of hair dye. The not so definitive list. PPD is short for paraphenylenediamine. It is used as a wood preservative, and when used for that purpose contact with skin is recommended to be avoided. Research states PPD in combination with hydrogen peroxide is very toxic and can lead to cancer. Ammonia is a highly corrosive and irritating gas with a pungent suffocating odor. It may produce caustic burns and lung irritation. DMDM-hydantoin. You should know that the Environmental Working Group, EWG, lists the hazard level of DMDM-hydantoin at moderate high, as the byproduct of DMDM-hydantoin is formaldehyde. It's also used in herbicides, floor waxes and polymers. Parabens. You should know that the two most common parabens preservatives are methylparabens and propylparabens. They are widely used in hair care products and can produce severe allergies and skin irritation. Resorcinol is a toxic dye that can cause scalp irritation and is an allergen affecting the endocrine system. So now you probably ask yourself, what's the secret ingredient which will help you get rid of gray hair and reverse to its natural color? And the secret ingredient is potato juice. Yes, it's potato juice. And no, we are not kidding. Did you know that potato skins can actually darken your hair? Note: you should know that this method doesn't really work for blondes but will work for everyone else just fine. The potato juice soaks into your silvery hair, sinks in and binds to the core of your hair to create a semi-permanent hair stain that lasts for several washes. You will need the following ingredients: 6 potatoes, 2 cups water, 1 old, clean squeeze bottle, pot. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to peel your potatoes. Then you need to put 1 cup of peels in a pot. The potatoes go in a bowl. After that you need to pour 2 cups of water over the skins, put it on the stove and heat on high until boiling. Reduce heat, let simmer for 5 minutes. Now you need to strain the mixture into a bowl and toss the skins. Leave it for 15 minutes until the hot juice is cool enough. Then pour it into the clean squeeze bottle. How to use it? First, you should take a shower, wash your hair, towel dry your hair. Then you need to pour the potato juice on your damp dry hair, slowly letting it soak in and towel dry again. Note: you should repeat this treatment, as needed. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.